Welcome back to Smart Spark with Guryash. Today we're going to talk about something cool. Airplanes. Have you ever looked up in the sky and seen an aeroplane and thought, how do these big heavy aeroplanes fly in the sky? Let's find the science behind this. Airplanes fly because of smart design and powerful science. There are four main forces and they help airplane fly. First, lift. This pushes the aeroplane up into the sky. Second, thrust. This pushes the aeroplane forward. Third, drag. This is the air that tries to push the aeroplane back. Gravity. Fourth. This pulls the airplane down to the earth. Now let's break it down a little. When an airplane runs on the runway, the engine provides thrust, pushing it forward. As it moves, air flows over the wings, which are shaped in a special way, curved on the top, flat from the bottom. Because of this shape, air moves faster above the wing, slower below the wing. This creates lift. Lift helps the airplane rise into the sky. But that's not all. When the plane flies, it still has to fight drag and gravity. As long as lift is stronger than gravity and thrust is stronger than drag, the plane will stay in the sky and move forward. Pilots use special parts called flaps and rudders to steer the plane up, down, left, right. That's how they land safely and take off smoothly. Birds were the first flyer. Just like aeroplanes, birds fly. Birds use their wings to create lift, and birds flap their wings to create thrust. So the next time when you see a bird flying, remember it uses the same science as an airplane to fly. Nature is really the smartest engineer. When you will go on a plane for vacations next time, you will understand how the plane is flying. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Meet you only on Smart Spark with Guryash. Bye bye. Keep learning.